As we hear the bells, we also welcome the Food Network worthy Tony Cheese doing the classic patty melt. Steve helping out, Stephanie prepping all the baskets with ripple chips, of course. Tony Cheese only uses Angus, certified Angus. We're doing a chuck burger here, smash 4.5, depending on whose hands made it, eh? I guess Tony was smaller, larger, until Tony helped us get our groove, right, Steve?
Doing a great job, guys.
We got a flat top classic burger. We're not going to overkill these because everything else combined is going to make that classic flavor. What do we got? We got look at the sizzle on that burger. It's unbelievable. We're not using butter, are we, Tony?
Oh, we got lots of butter.
What kind of butter are we using?
We got beautiful
Clarified butter.
Clarified butter.
Clarified butter. That's all
creamery.
That's all. Basically, the cows are all kosher cows.
That's correct.
Kosher cows make the best butter, right? Again, we've got Tony, the original cheese, Cohen. Look at that, Tony Cheese behind the grill. You're bringing us to America, Tony. America. That's how we do it at the Veneto Cycling Club, Celebrity Chef, Food Network worthy. Tony Cheese working the grill, the flat top here at the Veneto Cycling Club with Steve. We've got that beautiful, perfect blend. Are we talking to you 20 right
100% chuck. No brisket like everybody says. We went chuck only.
Chuck only.
Certified Black Angus.
Certified Black Angus. Kosher?
A little bit. Pretty close.
On a hot grill. Put them on right now. Steve, what was your doing here? What was your
Me and Tony went shopping for us.
Oh, they went shopping.
Courtesy of Cataldi Meats.
Cataldi
Cataldi's, I love it.
Market, one of our sponsors here.
Great place to go if you got a barbecue.
Absolutely, they got a great butcher there. Again, it's not always that we get a celebrity chef cooking for us, but today we're doing it all out. These beautiful cheesy patty melts. We've got, this is I think the umami of a patty melt, the sweet pickle. We need the balance of sweet and tang.
Yes, sir.
And that's how
Lots
we're
of
doing
fat.
it. Well, typically we'll use a Texas toast, Tony, but right now we're doing a reverse grill
here
on a brioche bun, right?
That's right, sir.
So these have been done. We're not using butter here, are we?
We got lots of butter.
Lots of butter. Again, look at that butter right here, Tony. Clarified butter. Like if you want to use it on your hair, as a moisturizer.
Part of loves it.
As a moisturizer, clarified butter here from Allison. A salt and pepper blend. That's all we're doing here. Food Network worthy. Tony Cheese, the original cheese. The guy knows what he's doing. Steve, you do this? 100%. We're the Veneto Cycling Club. Okay, so the crowd's going crazy. We flat topped about 60, 70 burgers. Again, there's that meat. I'm finally trying it now for the first time. Caramelized onions, the sweet pickles, the beef steak tomato, the lettuce, the cheddar cheese, the red onion, special sauce. Like Stephanie mentioned, pure certified Angus beef, 80-20 blend, flat top, salt, pepper, that's it. We don't have to mask. When something's good, we don't have to mask it. So this is how we're grilling at the Veneto Cycling Club. Tony Cheese is famous. Patty melts, 5-ounce burger, reverse bun, butter, a little bit more butter. On the grill, let's eat.